How to use Live Listen on iPhone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Live Listen feature on your iPhone. This is an amazing accessibility tool that allows you to turn your iPhone into a microphone, making it easier to hear sounds in your environment. So let's get started. To get started, you'll need to make sure you have a pair of compatible AirPods or hearing devices paired with your iPhone. Go to Settings, select Control Center, and here what you need to do is customize controls. To do that, simply swipe down from the right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Add a Control. Now simply at the top here you can find or search for hearing. Simply tap on it and you will see a little air icon written hearing. Simply tap on it and add it in your control center. Now to enable Live Listen, what you need to do is open the control center and simply tap on the hearing icon, which is a little air icon in control center. Once you tap the air icon, you'll see an option for live listen. Tap Start Live Listen and your iPhone will begin acting as a microphone to pick up sounds around you. And that's it. That's how you simply use Live Listen on your iPhone.